Hello everyone, this is Eric at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Wanted to show you this awesome 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX we just received. First of all, this boat has got the nice sea deck flooring, very soft on your feet. As you walk through the boat, the entire boat is sea deck, very soft, very cushiony. Awesome feature. When you walk in, it just feels so good on your feet. Under here, this one has the upgraded 4.5 250 horsepower motor. This little boat should be super fast. This boat has also got a great feature where you can put drinks in this huge storage area. It's drainable, so you can put wet items as well as drinks. Over here, we've also got lighted cup holders with the upgrade system. This boat also features the sport tower, and just a great feature when you want to do all your water activities. Coming forward, we have the independent swivel bucket seats with the flip-up bolsters. This boat has also nice bolster cushioning all the way around. We have the in-floor ski locker. This particular boat also too has the Fusion stereo system, all the gauges, digital depth finder, USB ports, iPod ports. And this boat even comes with the upgraded stereo, which features a subwoofer. So this boat ought to just rock. Looking in here, we also have some storage up underneath. We have an additional storage area here that you can put your drinks in. And of course, going forward, as always, you have storage up under the front cushions as well as cup holders. Nice step up going to the front of the boat with a step all the way out to the front of the boat. So anyway, come take a look at this great boat. You'll be really impressed when you see it. Thanks and have a great day.